Hey, what's up to the vlog, you know?
Business camera, man. What's that?
What do you want to say to the vlog and all that, you know?
Which song?
Like, what do you want to say to the vlog and all that? I'm recording a vlog today, you know?
Oh, well, what's your name, by the way?
I'm Josh, but I also go by Yashu.
Yasha?
Yashu, like
Yashu.
white, yeah.
Here's the Yashu's vlog. I'm John Goodblood, here singing for the vlog tonight.
Heading to Salsa on St. Clair. We're at St. Clair West right now. Very vibrant, very for the culture and all that too. You can see a lot of history, memories in the making too, so it's a great ass area to check out and all that, so definitely tap in. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that other bullshit to the side, you know, and